All right, y'all. So this week's quote of the week: words are, of course, the most powerful drug used by mankind. So I love this quote. Kind of goes back into the patient first language video I did a little ways back, and it also is super relevant to physical therapy practice, how our words impact what we do with patients, and I think it's just really helpful for today's current climate in terms of the election, the results coming out, and just really be conscientious of the wording that you're using and the impact that your language might have on other people. And to bring it back to physical therapy, our words with our patients are some of the most important things that we can use. More so than our hands, more so than our interventions or our treatments or whatever. Our words are so important. They can totally shift a patient's perspective on their body, on their injury, on rehab, and just on the healthcare system as a whole. And this quote is actually from the Research Spotlight article that I will talk about in tomorrow's video. And it also relates to a topic that's going to be on the first podcast that I'm going to be releasing probably later this week. So I'm starting up a podcast calling it A Beer and a Thought with Dr. Rip. And I have a beer, my guest has a thought. And the first conversation was with Dr. Tim Reynolds. He is a full-time clinical assistant professor at Ithaca College, and he also is a physical therapist. He's completed an orthopedic residency and a spine fellowship. And we talk about a recent publication that he had approved entitled The Power of Words. Waiting to publish that until the article's published, so then I can give you guys the link to the article as well. But today's quote ties really nicely into that and into the Research Spotlight, which, again, we'll talk about tomorrow, and that was sent to me by a friend just yesterday. So I think it's really important. Our words matter. They're the most powerful thing we can use to change one human to another, and I think it's important that you consider that in today's cultural climate and within physical therapy practice with all of your patients. That's this week's quote of the week. Thanks for watching.